Weather Center in Evelyn.
All right. Thanks, George. And checking in with Bay Bridge Toll Plaza this morning, you'll see a little bit of fog out on the roadways. And other than that, we're actually dealing with a nicer forecast later this afternoon. Temperature-wise, Oakland, you're at 58. Then by noontime, you'll be at 69. Your afternoon high, 72. And by 8 o'clock, back down to about 65 degrees. So the rest of your forecast looks like this. We're showing you Storm Tracker because there were a few drops of rain out in Sacramento. Could potentially see maybe even a thunderstorm in the hills here in the Bay Area, possibly in the North Bay Hills, best chance over the next 24 hours. And we're also dealing with drizzle produced from all the fog we're seeing out there. Your fog satellite showing you fog spanning into the inland valley, spanning all around the bay and by the coast. Fog Tracker 4 set for 8 o'clock. And by the time we get there, an hour and a half from now, we're expecting widespread fog still over the bay, still sitting into our inland valleys. By 10 o'clock, it's going to start to recede back toward the coast, continuing to mix out of the forecast by noontime. And then by 3 o'clock, looking at pretty clear conditions across the board. Maybe the coast still looking at a bit of fog, but for the most part, sunshine and warmer temperatures today. Temperatures look a bit like this. 50s right now, 60s, 70s, and 80s a little later today. We'll take you through all the numbers, starting off in the North Bay. Novato 78, Petaluma 80, Sonoma 83 for today, and Napa 82. Over the coast, temperatures there into the 60s. The peninsula into the 60s and 70s, 76 in Redwood City, 79 in Palo Alto. Jumping across the bay into the East Bay, expecting 70s there, and farther inland, expecting 80s. Getting close to the 90s, not quite making it there today, but awfully close in spots like Pittsburgh, 88. Antioch, you'll be at 89, and 89 for Livermore, 88 for Pleasanton in the South Bay. Also seeing your fair share of 80s, mid-80s, and low 80s. 82 Santa Clara, and 85 in Campbell today. And finally, look at your 7-day around the bay. You'll see major warm-up as we head into the weekend. And we're already heading into the weekend, warming up today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Expecting 90s inland, 80s around the bay, and 70s by the